Today we will discuss about how to use Align tool in Revit. First, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Like and share also. Align tool is used to align one element or more than one element from the selected host element. To better understand Align tool, we make some area from Wall tool. Align tool is located on the Modify tab of the Modify panel. You can select Align tool or press its shortcut key AL from the keyboard. The first option in the options bar is multiple alignment. An element can be aligned by keeping the unchecked multiple alignment box. The method is that first the host element is selected and then the element to be aligned to the host element is selected. The selection of host element is finished here. To host another object, you will select the object again and you will then select the object you want to align. Otherwise, checking the multiple alignment box causes the host element to be selected first. Then select the multiple elements that to align to the host element. The escape button must be pressed twice to complete the command. When aligning, if the elements are locked, as soon as the host element is aligned, then the alignment of these elements will not change. These elements will move together. If you don't want to move the elements together, select the padlock again to unlock it. The wall you unlock will be separated from the lock alignment. Prefer options are to be selected using Align tool. Choose which elements you want to align to host element, as well center line, wall faces, center of core or faces of core. The option you choose will be aligned to the host element. Similarly, the prefer faces of host element or guest element can be selected from the tab button. Keep pressing the tab button repeatedly until your desired face is displayed. As soon as your desired face is displayed, select it with the mouse click. So, this is our today's Align tool topic in Revit. I hope that you understand the use of Align tool. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.